In this lesson, we are going to create a group layer in a web map using the ArcGIS API for Python. Open up the create a group layer.py script from the group layer folder. There is currently no nice method to create a group layer with the ArcGIS API for Python, so here's a workaround. We access ArcGIS Online using the GIS class and supplying our home string. We'll assign our GIS object to a variable called AGOL. We then use our GIS object content manager get method and supply in the web map item ID. The get method will return an item object that will assign to a variable called web map item. We're then going to get the JSON definition for that web map as a Python dictionary using the item object get data method. We'll assign that Python dictionary to a variable called web map item data. We are interested in 3 layers to add to the group layer. If we dig into the web map definition and into the operational layers, we will get our 3 web map layers from index 1 to 3. Remember, with Python slicing, the element at index 4 is not included. Our slicing will return a list that will assign to a variable called group layers. We'll get a list of the layer titles from our group layers. So for each layer in our group layers, each layer in this group layer will be a definition representing the layers that we want to group. And we're interested in the title property for each layer that will be returned as a list using Python list comprehension. We next create a dictionary that defines the group JSON. Here we set the title to NPWS designated boundaries. Our layers in our group layer is going to be our list of group layer definitions. Our layer type will be group layer and we'll set visibility mode to independent. We're going to create a new operational layers definition. We'll create a list and inside that list we'll put our group layer definition as shown above. We're then going to add in layers that are not in the group layer to the operational layers. So for each layer, in the web map definition operational layers, which is a list of layer definitions, if the layer title is not in our layer names list, this layer name list represents the list of layers in our group layer, we'll append that layer to our new operational list. So our group layer is going to sit at index 0 in the operational layers, which will be the bottommost layer in the web map, and then the other layers will be stacked on top. We then update our operational layers list for our definition. We assign that to our new operational list that we've manipulated above. We then create a dictionary called item properties where we have a key of text and the value is the updated web map item data variable that represents the web map definition. Now here we are not manipulating the web map through a map object, we're manipulating it through the item object. So we need to use the item object update method where we supply our item properties dictionary above to the item properties parameter. We'll assign the calling of the update method to a variable called status and print status to screen. I'll run the script. The script is complete. Let's head over to ArcGIS Online and check out the result. Here we see the current layers in our web map. We are taking the middle 3 here and we're creating a group layer from them. So we've index 1, 2 and 3. I'm going to refresh the page. And we can see we have our layers in order where we have our NIAH on top, our county boundaries, and then our newly created group layer that contains our 3 layers of interest.